Dobardan, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. Let me do an energy check-in for the Twin Flames today. Oh my gosh. I'd like to see some progress, you know, like some actual 3D progress. I know a lot of you are feeling the same way. So, let's see. Let's see what we got. All right. I just like this card. My will to thy will, micromanaging the universe. Yeah, some of you are still trying to control. Some of you are still trying to control your path here. Some of you are still having a problem relinquishing control here. Literally, just like telling the universe, no. I don't want to go this way. I want to go this way. And the universe is like, no, you're going this way. Right, because some of you have actually lost vision, lost your vision. Some of you have lost sight of the bigger picture. Okay, some of you have. Some of you are just. Some of you have tunnel vision right now. Some of you do. Some of you have some serious tunnel vision right now, and you're focused specifically on one particular thing, and you're wanting to go for it. Okay, okay. But the problem is when you're doing that, it's like the universe is trying to pull you back. There's something that you're missing here. Okay, now you can do it, you know, but just be aware that if it's not where the universe is wanting you to go at this time, you may hit a roadblock. Okay, and I feel some of you have hit some roadblocks. Okay, so just take some baby steps right now. Like, take it one step at a time. Okay, test the waters a little bit. All right, especially if you're unsure. Like, some of you are just really unsure right now. You're uncertain. You're doubting yourself. You're doubting your journey. You're doubting your intuition. You're doubting everything. And so it's like it's like you're wanting to take this huge leap, but at the same time, you're not fully trusting yourself. You see what I'm saying? So maybe take some baby steps here. All right, make sure you're actually an intuition and not an ego. Some of you are wanting to get out of some karmic relationships really bad. Then this is what this is here. Wanting to take that leap, that tunnel vision that you're in right now. Like you're just like, no, I don't want to be here anymore. I don't want to be here anymore. I want out. But the universe is urging you to take baby steps right now. Okay? All right? Yeah, questioning everything. That's it. Boom. That's it. You're questioning everything at this point. Like, you're not even fully sure what it is you want. You just know that you don't want something. Does that make sense? And I can relate. I'm totally in that energy too. So, have patience mainly. That's the main thing, and release control. It's, you know, once you energetically make that decision, yes, I need out. I need out. And you start manifesting your way out. That's what it's saying. Manifest your way out. Baby steps, okay? That's what I did. I made the decision. I'm out. I'm out of this karmic relationship. I'm out of this karmic situation. And I set my intentions. I said, by this time, I'm going to be in this apartment complex. I'm going to be in a 2-bedroom apartment in this particular area of the city that I'm in. I'm going to be able to afford it, and I'm going to be out by the end of the year. And it all manifested exactly that way. Okay? So you have to set your intentions, but you have to be in a good vibration in order to do that. Okay? If you're in a negative vibration, you're going to hit roadblocks. That's what I'm saying. You guys are, I think some of you are just moving too fast. You're moving too fast. Now, making the decision to get out, that's a good thing. That's an absolutely wonderful thing that you're making that decision. Whatever situation you're in, you're deciding to release it. That's good. But some of you are wanting to leap before you've actually set in motion what you intend. Does that make sense? So some of you are like not even setting your intention. You're just leaping or trying to. And the universe is like, no. It's not how it works. You got to put this out. You got to put this out in the universe first. Okay? You got to put this out in the universe, get your vibration up, and then follow the path, okay? Some of you are just wanting to jump ship. And some of you, it's like you're wanting to jump ship, but you haven't learned the lesson yet. There's still a lesson in this situation that you're in right now. There's still a lesson here, okay? And you're questioning it. All right. So you're gonna have to stay there, honestly, until you learn your lesson. But you can make that decision that you don't want to be there anymore. Okay, so learn the lesson and get out. All right, so Divine Masculine. Yep, Divine Masculine, overthinking. Yay, questioning everything. Yay, some of them are in karmic situations. Karmic relationships that they are trying to get out of. Yes, and they're trying to figure out how to do that. But they're very much in their heads about it. Okay, and I find this depiction interesting because you have the moon here, you know, which usually to me represents intuition, all right? You got this chick in the middle who's meditating. She's kind of levitating there. You see her hands are kind of lit up. So it's like, you know, Divine Masculine is trying to energetically, again, make that decision to release this heartache here. You've got the Three of Swords up here, and then you've got the single sword down here, which is truth, right? But it's sideways, okay? So Divine Masculine is trying to trust his intuition, trying to get out of this heartbreaking situation. A lot of them are trying to ascend here and trying to be in their truth. And it is still a transitional period right now. But some of them are just having a really hard time releasing some illusion that is surrounding this situation. That's what I mean. Like, some of them have tunnel vision right now. Yeah, some of them have tunnel vision right now, and they've lost sight of the big picture. Okay? But they're having to take baby steps to move forward. All right? Some of them are still very emotionally attached to this situation, whatever it is. Some of them, it's like, it's a victim mode for sure. Some of them are literally addicted to feeling sorry for themselves. Okay? And that's the illusion that they're having to release here. Okay? Is this constant victim mode. All right? But what's happening also is it's keeping that. Look, you got the Queen of Wands in reverse and the Queen of Cups in the upright. Okay? So it's causing like this lack of motivation. That's what I mean. Like, guys, it's like he wants to move out. He wants to move on. He wants to do what he wants to do, but he's feeling like every move he makes is not the right one. He's questioning everything. It's like, I make this move and nothing works out the way I want. This is what the energy I was picking up on yesterday, where Divine Masculine was in an energy of, you know, he made all these plans, maybe like something he had his heart set on did not work out. Okay, so this victim mode's coming in. Nothing I do works out. Every time I try to plan something, it always goes to crap. I'm useless. I'm worthless. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so now it's almost like they're in this energy, and especially if they're in a karmic situation, where, again, that's a family, a job, a karmic actual relationship, you know, like a partnership, okay? They're feeling like they're having to rely even more on this particular situation because they feel like they're not good enough to stand on their own 2 feet. So they're being manipulated that way. And some of them, that whatever, you know, situation they're in, whether it's another person, they're using that to their advantage. Okay? And they're keeping Divine Masculine in a state of emotional distress in order to control the situation. And Divine Masculine's not able to fulfill himself here. Do you see what I'm saying? So Divine Masculine does want out, but he feels like he can't move. He feels like he can't move. Doesn't matter which way he goes, it's the wrong direction, right? Well, I mean, that's unfortunately, you know, that's been the energy I've been feeling for the last couple of days in the collective. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you are feeling that also. It's literally like a fight with the universe right now. It's like, no, but I want to do this. This is what I want. Why didn't this work out? Everything was lined up. Everything was going so well. Prospects were good, right? And then all of a sudden something went to crap, right? A tower hit. And it's like Divine Masculine's trying to sit here and figure out why it happened that way. Why am I stuck here? Well, Divine Masculine, maybe there's something you need to do here. Maybe there's something here that you weren't paying attention to that you need to. So it pulled you back. All right, so Divine Feminine. Yeah, Divine Feminine, yeah. Okay, so I said this earlier with the overall energies. Divine Feminine is trying to also do the same thing, really, trying to move on here. Trying to move on from a situation here, okay? But is having a hard time because she wants to just get out. Like, do it now. Like, has this fire up under her butt and wants to do it now, right? Like, major motivation to get something done now, but the universe is urging her to take baby steps, right? The universe is micromanaging her, and she's like, no, I don't want to do that, right? Right? Yeah. Divine Feminine is trying to manifest her way forward here, right? But she's feeling held back again, and I feel like Divine Feminine is getting really frustrated right now. There's a lot of frustration coming in for Divine Feminine because kind of the same energy as Divine Masculine. It's like nothing's working out the way that she feels like it should at this point. So what's happening is it's like Divine Feminine, instead of manifesting her way forward, is beating herself up. Some of you are beating yourself up over some past failures that are being triggered right now because of a current one or what you perceive as a failure. Okay. And so what that's doing is it's kind of pulling you, it's kind of pulling you out of your power a little bit and pulling you into kind of literally a trapped energy. Like you feel like you can't strategize something that you're not trusting yourself though. You're not trusting yourself. You're overthinking everything. Okay. So yeah, some of you need to some of you just need to go within right now. And change your vibration because your vibration is too low in order to manifest anything. You're not seeing anything clearly right now. Your channel is cloudy. Okay. Your third eye, your channel is cloudy right now. And what is it clouded with? Well, it's clouded with emotion right now. I feel that. And emotion is ego. Okay. So that being said, I mean, what this is doing is it's helping you to break some internal conflict though, but you have to be careful because like I said, some of you feel like you have been in intuition, but in reality, you have been in ego. You're not in your intuition. You thought you were, but you're not. And maybe that's the illusion that you're shattering right now. Maybe that's the conflict that you're dealing with right now. And that's where you're not feeling like you're able to trust yourself here because you've been acting out of ego when you thought you were in intuition. And that's making you kind of, putting you in your fifis and feeling like you can't manifest anything, like the cause is lost, right? So same energies, just it's manifesting differently. I feel at this point, it's for Divine Feminine. A lot of Divine Feminines right now are also in victim mode, but I feel like this is actually manifesting externally for you in some way. There is something that is manifesting, possibly in a karmic relationship here. I feel that because of you're feeling the way that you're feeling, it's making whatever situation you're in more unbearable. It's manifesting negatively in your situation. And that's what's making you want to jump ship right now. But I think what the universe is trying to tell you is you need to change your energy first. That's why it's pulling you back. That's why there's roadblocks. You've got to change your energy first. Get into a better vibration, then manifest your way out. Start setting your intentions for what it is you want to do. Okay? As much as I would love to just say, yeah, just go with it and do it, there's a reason why the universe is pulling you back. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. I feel like this is just actually perfect. I feel that the connections right now are just like constantly going. It's like rocking the boat. It's like you're too much in one and too much in the other. It's like Divine Feminine, Divine Masculine switching energies consistently. So masculine and feminine energies are just kind of going back and forth. I feel like there for a while, we were it was like switch, but now it's literally constantly switching. It was like you would stay in one for a while and, you know, and the other would stay in the other one for a while, but now it's like this. But what's happening is it's helping you both to bring this into balance. So Divine Feminine, you've got to get back into your feminine energy. I feel like you've been going out of your feminine energy. A lot of you have been acting in your masculine energy and thinking you're in your feminine energy. Nope. Okay. So that's yeah, okay. And boom. There you go, the moon. Okay, so coming out of this stuck energy, which mainly this right here is the ego that's been keeping us stuck. Some of you, again, has to do with the actual connection. There's some sort of block in the connection that's keeping you from feeling like you can move forward, and you can't do that, okay? But you've got to get back into trusting your intuition, because that's what's going to guide this forward. Yeah, stuck energy within the connection. Boom, there you go. Chariot, not moving. But yeah, still a lot of emotion, a lot of purging happening right now. And, well, rebuilding, right? Because we're shattering illusions like crazy. Shattering illusions like crazy. And some of that has to do, again, with the connection. Some of you are finding out some stuff about your connection that is not true. Okay, and that's what's bringing in this defeatist attitude. That may be what's bringing in this victim consciousness. You're sitting there going, well, I've been doing all my work. What the heck? Right? What the heck, universe? What the heck? Yeah. All right, let's get some messages from counterparts. Oh, yeah, by the way, I took a break on my emails for the most part, so some of you, I will be, sorry about that. I will be returning to my emails shortly. Yeah, this is, if you feel like that, you're probably a twin flame. Messages and advice. Boop. All right. Yes. What did I say? You got to get your vibration back up, guys. Some of you are vibing so low right now, and it's because of this confusion energy you've been. Well, first of all, it was the towers that were hitting. We were getting a lot of towers that were bringing up repeating cycles, and they were very, very painful. And a lot of it was triggering us like it triggered us during awakening, or when you met your twin, or when you first went through separation, whatever. It was like a major, major trigger, okay? And then we had the confusion energy. So many of you were in confusion energy, and now we've got the not trusting oneself issue. So, I mean, we're talking major, that's the word I'm looking for. I hate to say like downfall, but that's what it feels like. It's like you got kind of knocked off and you're having a really hard time getting back to where you were. So some of you really need to focus on bringing your vibration up. You know, I hate to say it, but some of you might need to stop watching readings for a little while. That's what I had to do. I had to stop watching readings, okay, to get my vibration back up. I know it seems counterintuitive, but it's true. Okay, some of you may need to stop readings for just a little while. Get yourself square. Stop focusing on the connection so much. Focus on getting yourself right, okay? Yeah, I mean, some of you are going through some ascensions right now, too. And that's part of what's happening here. It's like you're getting a lot of information, and maybe you're having trouble deciphering it. You're getting so much that you don't even know what you're looking at. You don't know where to start. So you don't, so you just don't look at anything. You block it all off, and then you get confused. Okay? But yeah, some of you seriously got to get out of this tunnel vision. You've got to look at the bigger picture, guys. You've got to look at the bigger picture, okay? And get back to trusting your intuition. Trust yourself. But again, take a break. Again, some of you just need to take a break. Some of you just need to stop overthinking. You need to take a break, maybe from readings. Just take a break. Take a break. And take it easy on yourself. Because some of you, I feel that you're really beating yourself up right now. And that is not going to get you anywhere. It's not. It's not going to get you anywhere. Okay? Alright, guys. I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.